이거는 in the center. Let's see what's going on here. Now, I'm winding the spring. I'm taking it this way. This. No, that's unwinding it. So, we're going to be going like this. Like that. That's a quarter turn. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, you know what? I'm an idiot. 4. I'm at 4. I gotta have my. Oh, there it is. I got it here. 4. Alright, so 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. I'm going to take a stop here for a second. Okay, so that's 15 turns. So here we go. Good spot here. So we're at 15. What was I doing? 16. 17. Making sure I got that in there each time, the higher I get. 18. Man, that feels like a lot of pressure. All the way in. 19. 20. Whew. 2/3 of the way there. 31. 32. 33. Oh, 23. Jesus. 24. 25. 26. 27. 28. 29. 30. Just for Avery. 31. So it's in there. It's in there good. All right. We'll put these set screws in. All right. All right, just touch the bar there, so over here. Probably better to go this way. I'm using my fingers right now. Alright. And there I touched it. So we're going to go in. And a quarter turn. Quarter turn. Very slowly. I'll lift the bar. Oh shit. My vice grips. Glad I didn't have my laptop. That would have ruined it. What happened here, Mark? Thoughts? Okay. As long as I have a bar on it. Seems to me that what's happened is okay. Now what I do is I lift up on this, pull this one out, and let that go. Oh shit. That made me nervous, man. Okay, now when I'm winding the other, okay, so that's on. This is the golden moment right here. Watch this here. Look at that. Look at that, huh? You know how good that makes me feel? There you go. Boom, right up the way it's supposed to be. So, I watch the videos over and over, and if you're mechanically inclined, now, I'm not saying that just anybody should try to take it on, because no, you can get yourself really hurt, you know. But I'm mechanically inclined, for one. I was a millwright, worked on much bigger machinery, but I always respect it, you know. So then what happened is I seen this video and it pretty much explained everything, you know. So turn this off so you can hear how quiet it is now, because it was making a lot of noise before, but now here we go. Look at that. Oh, that's a wonderful, wonderful thing for Ron Burgundy. Boom, I did it. I gotta still fix that drywall.